Hello everyone, my name is Nurlanova Arujan and I am the representative of the 2 foreign languages faculty. Today the theme of my article is acute problem of shortage waste recycling plant in the Republic of Kazakhstan. So the plan, the first, today's condition of destroying the waste. The second, the reasons of the ecological problems. The third is statistics. The fourth is some approaches of separating the garbage. And the fifth one is suggestion and a recommendation for our generation. So let's start. Today over 43 billions of tons of garbage has accumulated at the landfills of Kazakhstan. An additional 5 and 6 million tons are added to them annually. And at the same time, 9% is persist. So if we don't bring the municipal solid waste to the necessary standards, so I think the world will be mired in waste. Economic growth and the urbanization in Kazakhstan are the reasons for the annual increase in solid waste. Today, it's one of the most acute environmental problems in the country. So we require the development of the new approach to solve it. First of all, of the help of business. I think so that during the years of the independence of Kazakhstan, Kazakhstan didn't manage to the main enterprise to solve this problem. But only just one enterprise is located in Nur-Sultan. In Nur-Sultan, and the waste persists and they are separated. So the plastic and paper are separated, and we use the equipments from Spain, Austria, Italy, and Finland. So the project costs 36 million euros and is designed to process 250,000 tons of municipal solid waste per year. Such enterprises don't take root. Also, as a business, they are attractive, but at this unprofitable. Just remember the garbage recycling plant that was built in Almaty in 2007, and that the flea market is replaced on this place. And the people still criticize the government which invested budget money in this project, which dissolved, and the founders for the incompetence and the dishonesty. So if you can see on the screen the statistics that 445 kilograms the garbage just one person throws away per year. 35% is the paper, 9% etc. things, and the 4% is the metals, and next the most the waste, the food waste, 41%. 3% just plastic, and the 8% is the glass. So this is not to say that nothing is being done in this country. In the regions, there are more than 100 small and medium enterprises that sort and process waste. Sorting lines have been installed in 7 cities, and 23 waste sorting and processing facilities are planned to be built, and the modern small garbage processing plants are being modernized in 9 settlements. There is a progress, but there is clearly not enough. As they say, the clean city is a healthy nation. You must agree with it. Before building garbage processing plants in each city, it's necessary to train Kazakh people to sort garbage. Indeed, the construction of waste sorting plants is an expensive pleasure. In Kazakhstan, more than 1 in different regions attempt made to create a system for separate collection. So the paper just for one, and the glasses are to the second collection. But almost always failed due to many reasons, and the main of them are indifferent of our population. the lack of necessary infrastructure, lack of support, and the support from local authorities, contraction of garbage, collect the tons of companies, the lack of interest in the appearing of the competitors. So, summarizing the foresaid, we can assert that the main cause of environmental pollution in Kazakhstan seems to be prevalence of environmental illiteracy in society, both at the population and the business levels. And if there are good laws, but in the absence of environmental awareness, the situation is unlikely to change for the better. We will not exaggerate, we will give encouraging statistics according to our survey. Among the youth of Kazakhstan, about 2/3 are ready to participate in environmental initiatives. So I urge you, the Kazakh people, to collect the garbage separately and very clearly, and avoid the terrible pollution of the environment. There is an interesting experience, but its implementation requires a lot of money. So we choose the garbage. We choose, I think, the simplest way, not thinking about the consequences hidden behind the mountains of the garbage. And I want to conclude with this sentence. If we want to change the world for the better and make it cleaner, we must start it with ourselves, because everything in our hands. So let's make the world better and cleaner. Thanks for attention.